Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send money via PayPal. So let's get started. First of all, open your preferred browser and go to the official PayPal website at paypal.com. If you already have a PayPal account, simply log in with your credentials. If not, you can create one by following the easy sign up process. Once logged in, tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the main menu. Tap on the send option. Here you will see a list of all the recipients' email or mobile numbers. Select the one you want to send money to. Next, input the amount of money you wish to send. Choose whether you are sending it as a personal payment or for goods services and then click continue. After that, confirm the details of your payment and choose your preferred payment method, either from your PayPal balance or a linked bank account. Once everything looks good, tap Send Payment Now and your money will be on its way. And that's it. Now you know how to send money via PayPal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.